Parco Faunistico Le Cornelle Bergamo, located in the heart of Italy's Lombardy region. This beautiful zoo is home to over 100 different species of animals from all around the world, including some of Italy's most iconic wildlife. With a history dating back to 1981, the park has become a beloved destination for families, nature lovers, and animal enthusiasts alike. Join us as we take a closer look at the incredible animals that call this zoo home, and discover the important work being done here to protect and conserve these precious species.
Che bello, guarda, di qua. Guarda lì là, guarda lì là. Guarda la siamo qua. Guarda la siamo qua.
කොටේම
සයිනෝ
කොහොම අල්ලගෙන දෙන්නේ කොයි ඉන්නවද කියලා බලන්න කරනවා
නෑ යන විදිහක් නෙවෙයි ඉස්සෙල්ලා මේ ටික අරගෙන ඉන්නවද කියලා බලන්න Helena bene galla Hukum balagan ya. Harusian ya.
Facciamo il percorso giusto, né? Eccoli, guarda come passa. Guarda, devo dire. Com'è gigante.
Cizza lì c'è un animale che deve correre.
Matti, hai visto? Non lo metti. Gli avvoltoi poi li prendono. I bambini piccoli li prendono, vedi come sono grossi.
Noi, che fa noi, nonna?
No, voi non vedi che sono belli tutti quanti.
Wow!
Ma una volta quando erano vecchi, c'erano tanto tempo.
Guarda che guarda! Guarda!
No, magari prendono quei cagnolini piccoli. Andiamo. Vuole andare a vedere i leoni. Va dai.
The Parco Faunistico Le Cornelle Bergamo covers an area of over 100,000 square meters and is nestled in a stunning natural setting with lush greenery and scenic views. The zoo is divided into different areas, each representing a different habitat, such as the African savanna, the Australian outback, and the tropical rainforest. Visitors can see a wide range of animals, from majestic lions and tigers to playful lemurs and monkeys. There are also reptiles, birds, and amphibians on display, including some rare and endangered species. The zoo is committed to conservation efforts and participates in several breeding programs to help ensure the survival of threatened animals. In addition to the animal exhibits, the park also offers various activities and attractions for visitors of all ages. Children can enjoy a petting zoo and a playground, while adults can take a leisurely stroll through the botanical gardens or enjoy a picnic in one of the scenic areas. Overall, Parco Faunistico Le Cornelle Bergamo is a wonderful place to spend a day surrounded by nature and wildlife.
gas.
It's a great opportunity to learn more about different animals and their habitats while supporting important conservation efforts. One of the highlights of the zoo is the Bird of Prey show, where visitors can witness these majestic birds in action as they soar through the air and demonstrate their hunting skills. The show is both educational and entertaining, and it's a great way to learn about these fascinating creatures. Parco Faunistico Le Cornelle Bergamo is a must-visit destination for animal lovers and nature enthusiasts. With its beautiful setting, diverse animal exhibits, and engaging activities, it's a great place to spend a day with family and friends. For those who prefer larger animals, the park is also home to a majestic camel that can be seen roaming around its enclosure. Visitors can observe these fascinating creatures up close and learn about their unique adaptations to life in the desert. Finally, visitors can marvel at the sheer size and age of the giant turtle that resides in the park. This ancient reptile is a true wonder of nature and serves as a reminder of the importance of conservation efforts to protect endangered species. Parco Faunistico Le Cornelle Bergamo offers an incredible array of animal exhibits and activities that are sure to delight visitors of all ages. Whether you're a fan of birds, mammals, or marine life, there's something for everyone at this amazing park. In addition to the animal exhibits, visitors to Parco Faunistico Le Cornelle Bergamo can also enjoy a charming little train ride that takes them around the park. This train ride is a great way to see the various animal enclosures and attractions without having to walk the entire park.
Guarda che c'è la coda.
Quanto dopo? Dopo?
No, dopo.
Dai, una camella, una
Sì, camella. Me lo mangio dopo.
Avanti.
Wala. Ano sa Jenen?
Kaya na ito.
Andiamo di indietro che guardiamo il fumetto. Yes. Adesso vediamo il...
Para?
Wanduran.
Kaya mo? Ano kaya mo?
Wanduran kaya mo diyan na.
අන්තිමට මට වීඩියෝයක් වුණා යාගේ. මෙහෙම කළා.
Sono onnivori. Andiamo a leggere. Di che siamo?
Guarda questo scappa, il cibo scappa, lo ricordo.
To arrive at the park, visitors can take public transportation or drive. The park is located in Valbrembo, just outside of Bergamo, and is easily accessible by car. There is also a bus stop near the park entrance for those who prefer to take public transportation. The park is situated in a beautiful area surrounded by lush greenery and rolling hills. Visitors can take a break from the animal exhibits and enjoy a picnic in one of the park's designated picnic areas or grab a bite to eat at one of the park's restaurants. Parco Faunistico Le Cornelle Bergamo is a must-visit destination for animal lovers and families looking for a fun and educational day out. With its impressive array of animal exhibits, charming train ride, and beautiful surroundings, it's no wonder why this park is such a popular attraction in the Bergamo area. Parco Faunistico Le Cornelle Bergamo was opened in 1981 and has since been a popular attraction for tourists and locals alike. The park is spread over an area of 100,000 square meters and is home to over 1,200 animals from 120 different species. The park has a strong focus on conservation and education, with many of the animal exhibits designed to teach visitors about the importance of protecting wildlife and their habitats. Some of the most popular animal exhibits include the big cats, primates, birds of prey, and reptiles. In addition to the animal exhibits and train ride, the park also has several shops where visitors can purchase souvenirs, toys, and stuffed animals. There are also several restaurants and snack bars located throughout the park, offering a variety of food and drink options. Parco Faunistico Le Cornelle Bergamo is a well-rounded attraction that offers something for everyone. Whether you're an animal lover, nature enthusiast, or just looking for a fun day out with the family, this park is definitely worth a visit. Finally, thank you so much for watching with us this video, and do not forget subscribe our channel.
Andiamo? Andiamo!
Così è perfetto. La cervicale non la chiamo di cartone. È bellissimo. Che disposto. Ecco. Sta facendo tanto gente. Marino. Arrivano?
Sì, è in questo lato. Sì, è in questo lato.
Guarda, guarda che coda, no? Guarda la coda del tamarino.